Hello friends, myself Dr. Avinash Paude from Department of Chemistry, Adarsh Mahavidyalaya, Hingoli. Today we are going to study the 5-membered heterocyclic compounds. As we have seen in the earlier video, the introduction, classification and nomenclature of the heterocyclic compounds. In this video, we are going to discuss about some 5-membered heterocyclic compounds. The first is furan. In this content or in this presentations, we are going to study the molecular orbital picture of furan, resonance structure of furan, some of the physical properties of the furan, and the general electrophilic substitution reaction and its mechanism of furan. We are going to study. First, the molecular orbital picture of furan. As we know that furan is nothing but a 5-membered heterocyclic compound containing oxygen as a heteroatom. It contains 4 carbon, 4 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. So all the 4 carbon atoms are sp2 hybrid in the furan, and oxygen is also sp2 hybrid. The hybridization of carbon and oxygen are sp2. You will see in the ground state the carbon atom having the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz0. In the excited state, one of the electron from 2s orbital get excited to z orbital. The excited electronic configuration will become 1s2, 2s1, 2px1 and 2py1 and 2pz1. In the case of hybridization in furan, the 2s1 and 2px1 and 2py1 orbitals of carbon undergo mixing recasting to form equal number of hybrid orbitals, 3 hybrid orbitals, and the 2pz orbital remains unhybridized. Similarly, the hybridization of the oxygen atom, oxygen, the electron configuration at ground state is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, y1 and z1. The one of the electron from 2s is get excited to 2pz orbital, then the excited electron configuration of oxygen becomes 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. These 2s, 2px and 2py atomic orbital get mixed recast to form a 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals, and this 2pz orbital remains unhybridized. As we all know that all the carbon atoms and oxygen atoms are sp2 hybrid orbitals. This carbon sp2 hybrid carbon contains single electron each, and the hybrid orbitals of oxygen, sp2 hybrid orbitals of oxygen contains 2 orbital contains 1 electron, that is 2s2 2px1 and 2py1. One orbital contains 2 electrons. Now this hybrid orbitals, formed hybrid orbitals will form 3 sigma bonds with adjacent carbon, as in the case this carbon, this sp2, sp2, sp2 form a trigonal geometry, trigonal planar geometry. They all sp2 hybrid orbital carbons form 3 sigma bonds, one with hydrogen, another with adjacent carbon, and again third one is also from carbon. Similarly, this carbon again having sp2 hybrid orbitals having trigonal planar geometry forms 3 sigma bonds, 2 sigma with adjacent carbon and 1 with hydrogen. The carbon which are attached to oxygen will also have same geometry, trigonal planar. They will form 3 sigma bonds, each with hydrogen, adjacent carbon and adjacent oxygen. Similarly, in this way the sigma bonds are formed by hybridized carbon and oxygen atoms orbitals to form a planar structure. As the sp2 hybrid geometry is a planar, that's why the plane is formed. This is plane, and the unhybridized orbitals are perpendicular to this plane. As we see, the unhybridized orbital 2pz orbital and 2pz orbital, all these 3 hybrid orbitals will form 3 sigma bonds. On oxygen it is again form 2 sigma bonds, and one is having lone pair. in this case this hybrid orbital contains one pair of electron, it will not form a bond presence as a lone pair. As we know that oxygen in furan contains two lone pairs, one is from hybrid orbital and one is from unhybridized orbital. In this way oxygen, this trigonal planar, one is having lone pair and two sp2 hybrid orbitals having one electron forms and sigma bond with adjacent sp2 hybrid carbon and form a planar structure. To this planar structure, the unhybridized pz orbital, all the 4 carbon and oxygen contains one unhybridized pz orbital. All carbon atoms pz orbital, unhybridized pz orbital contain one single electron and oxygen atom contains a pair of electron. As we see in the picture, this pair of electron from the oxygen's unhybridized pz orbital and this one single electron from carbon's unhybridized orbital. This plane is forming the sigma bonds to this plane. As this planar structure, the unhybridized orbital are perpendicular to each other, perpendicular to this plane having angle 90 degrees. We can see in this figure also, this is the plane formed by the sigma bond axial overlapping and unhybridized orbitals containing one electron and oxygen unhybridized containing a pair of electron is perpendicular to this plane, and they will form lateral overlapping to form a pi bond. These two will form a lateral overlapping, parallel overlapping to form pi bonds in such a way that the pi electron cloud is there above the plane and below the plane. In this way, in this 3D image, we can see the plane of the ring which is formed by this axial overlapping of sp2 hybridized orbital of carbon and oxygen, and the pi unhybridized pz orbitals form pi bonds, that is pi electron cloud above the and below the plane. In this way, according to molecular orbital picture, we have seen that furan is a planar structure having pi electron cloud above and below the plane of the ring. These are the features of the molecular orbital picture. Furan have 4 carbon and 1 oxygen, all are sp2 hybridized. sp2 hybridization is planar, it makes a planar ring structure. The ring structure, this is the ring structure. Each ring atom also contains unhybridized pz orbital that is perpendicular to the plane of the ring. These are unhybridized carbon 2 pz orbitals, and this is oxygen's unhybridized pz orbitals which contains a pair of electrons. Here p orbitals are parallel to each other, so overlapping between p orbitals take place to form pi bonds. Total number of the non-bonding electrons are 6, 4 from carbon and 2 from oxygen. Here the non-bonding 4 from carbon and 2 from oxygen. The resonance of 6 electrons take place and it contains 6 electrons, which obeys Huckel's rule when n is equal to 1. That's why the furan is a aromatic compound. It is cyclic, it is planar and obeys Huckel's rule which contains 6 electrons. That's why furan is a aromatic in nature. This is all about molecular orbital picture. We shown that it is planar and aromatic in nature as it contains 6 delocalized pi electron and cyclic and planar. Now the resonance structures of furan. As you know that furan contains 2 pi electrons. In furan oxygen contains 2 lone pair of electrons. When this lone pair of electrons shift towards the oxygen, this carbon will have extra valency. To satisfy this valency, the pi bond will shift towards the carbon number 2. Here it will acquire negative charge as it gains 2 electrons. Any neutral atom when gains electrons become negative. Again, loss of oxygen, lone pair of electron by oxygen acquires positive charge. It will form this resonance structure. As this lone pair of electron on this carbon will shift towards the next carbon, because this pi bond and this lone pair of electrons are conjugated to each other, there is possibility of resonance. As this pair of electrons from this carbon anion shift towards this ring, this carbon will to satisfy the valency, this carbon loses its pi electron to this carbon. Then this carbon number 5 may number 1 2 3 5, this fifth carbon will gain a pair of electron, becomes nucleophilic or negative charge, will acquire it negative charge. Again this pair of electron and this pi are conjugated, there is possibility of resonance. This pair of electron will shift towards this carbon and oxygen. Again oxygen, to satisfy valency, will this pi bond will shift towards this carbon. Then again this carbon will acquire a negative charge. Again this negative carbon and these pi bonds are conjugated, there is possibility of resonance. This way they will shift towards this, and this carbon, to satisfy valency, the pi bond will shift towards this carbon, and this carbon will acquire negative charge. As we seen, each carbon atom is acquiring negative charge. Finally this negative charge is shift toward this carbon, and the oxygen gains the electron. Any positive charge species when gains electron becomes neutral. Here we will get the same as the early structure. This is the resonating structures of the furan, and it shows that furan in the resonating structures there are about 5 resonance structures. Oxygen carries positive and all other carbon carries negative charge. We will see the physical properties of furan. Furan is colorless liquid with a boiling point 32 degree. It has smell of chloroform. It is insoluble in water but soluble in alcohol and ether. As it is organic, it is dissolved in the organic solvents and insoluble in the inorganic solvent, that is water. It produces green color on pine splinters and moistened with HCl. When spines and moistened with the HCl, it gives the green color. Now we will see the electrophilic substitution reaction. As we seen in the molecular orbital picture, the furan is a aromatic in nature, are an aromatic compounds used. As we know, the aromatic compounds use substitution reaction rather than addition reaction. As furan is aromatic, it gives the substitution reaction. If you see the furan is having 4 carbon atom. Among these 4 carbon atom, there are 2 sets of carbon, equivalent sets of carbon. These 2 carbon atom which is attached to oxygen, or may have the number 1 and 5 are equivalent, and the carbon number 3 and 4 are also equivalent. So there are 2 kinds of carbon number 2 or 5, carbon number 3 or 5. These 2 and 3, these 2 positions are non-equivalent, means the electrophile, if you see the orientation, it may go to carbon number 3 or it may go to carbon number 2. We have to see where exactly the electrophilic substitution takes place. Suppose the attack of electrophile takes place at carbon number 2. Then what will happen? If the carbon number 2 is attacked by the electrophile, the carbocation is formed, which is stabilized by these 3 resonating structures. And if the electrophile is attacked at carbon number 3, the intermediate carbocation is stabilized by these 2 resonating structures. From this we know that if the structure contains more resonating structures, such a structure is stable, and if it contains less number of resonating structures, it is unstable. Hence the intermediate carbocation which is formed after attack at C2 is more stable than the intermediate carbocation which is formed after attack at 3 position. That's why the electrophile will orient towards the carbon number 2 instead carbon number 3 in case of furan. That's why electrophilic substitution takes place at carbon number 2 in case of furan. This is the reason behind it, because at carbon number 2, after attacking or at carbon number 2, the formed intermediate is more stable than which is formed after attack at 3. Now we will see the general electrophilic substitution reaction. As just we have seen that electrophile attack at 2 position. Here if the electrophile, general electrophile, if it is, as you know that electrophile are electron deficient species, if they attack at 2 position via these pi bonds, they will shift towards this carbon and will form a bond between this electrophile. This carbon number 3 will become electron deficient and acquires positive charge. As it is having positive charge, it is conjugated with this pi bond. There is possibility of resonance. Again this carbon number 5 will acquire the positive charge. One of the lone pair of oxygen will shift towards this carbon. As they are in the conjugation, oxygen will carry the positive charge. Here this formed carbocation is stabilized by these 3 resonating structures. First step, attack of electrophile at 2 position. We have seen the reason behind it, why it is take place at only 2 position. After attacking at 2 position, electrophile attacking at 2 position, the formed intermediate carbocation stabilized by these 3 resonating structures, and finally the deprotonation of the one of the resonating structures gives rise to aromatized 2 substituted product. This proton eliminates any nucleophile in the reaction, will stop this proton, leaving aside these 2 bonded electrons. This bonded electron will shift towards this carbocation. It will be get neutralized. As any positive charge species gain electron becomes neutral and it gets 2 substituted product. It is a general electrophilic substitution reaction for furan. The electrophilic addition takes place at 2 position, form the intermediate carbocation which is stabilized by the resonating structures, and finally deprotonation by any nucleophilic reagent or nucleophile gives rise to aromatized 2 substituted product of furan. This is all about general electrophilic substitution reaction. Thank you.